Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the area bounded by two curves in here. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to write the function. So about x squared minus 2x, the graph should be like this. Negative x squared plus 6x, the graph should be like this. So the area we need to concentrate, that is about this one. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find the intersection between two curves in here and here. To do about this one, so we put about negative x squared plus 6x equal to x squared minus 2x. So after we do this one, we need to find the solution of this one. So I will put this one go to the right. So x squared plus x squared, you got about 2x squared. Negative 6x, negative 2x, you got about negative 8x. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. So we have x squared minus 4x. So I need to put this one equals to number 0. And now we have two solutions. That's about s equal to number 0 and s equal to number 4. So this one is about number 0. This one is about number 4. And now we can set up about the integration. So we know that we have the integration from 0 to number 4. To calculate about this area in here, we need to use about upper minus lower. So about the upper, that is about this one. And the function of this one, that is about this one here. Minus the lower, that's about this one in here. So that should be about this one. And now we need to calculate about this integration. So negative x squared, you got about negative 2x squared. 6x minus negative 2x, you got about positive 8x. And now we have the final answer. The integration of x squared, we have x to the power of 3 over 3. This one, we have x squared over 2. And now we put the bounds from 0 to number 4. And now we need to put number 4 gone here. Number 0 gone here. So we calculate about this one and we got the final answer. And we got about 64 over 3. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.